Hello, hello. Welcome. Chip Trades here with another market analysis. Today is September 15th, 2019. What we're going to do is go over AUD USD, right? The Euro AUD and the NZDJPY, right? What I'll do also is be going over a little bit confirmations using golden chip. Let's jump right in it. Let's jump in it. Let's get these pips. We've had a good week, right? Good month, more like. Matter of fact, if you haven't checked out those videos in the past, check those out, right? You can find some good entries still within those. Those are still some good setups. Okay, so let's go down to the weekly, knowing that I love to go and box in my monthly. I see that this is the monthly high, correct? Right. When I plotted that, this is the high, this is the low. Okay. So what I'm seeing, right? We found support. It has been found. I'm actually seeing also a lot of, dojis and pin bars being created. So price definitely got exhausted at that area. And then it wanted to show a little bit more bullish movement. So we get our bullish movement, right, for 2 weeks. This bullish movement is actually going to continue, right? I want to take it. Just looking honestly on the weekly formation, it looks like a very nice flag formation. But what I want to do, just to be very careful, I want to just take it up to the next resistance level. The next resistance level is at 0.70813, right? So from current price, what we want to do, right? If we see any type of pullbacks, anything, right? What we want to do is just wait for that area to get broken. So all we have to do is wait for the high to get broken, right? So all we got to do is wait for 0.68989, right? Once that area is broken, you can, put a couple pips, 20 pips, 10, 20 pips. If you are one of those that want to do pinning orders, you can put, a pending order, 10 pips, 20 pips, and just let it ride, right? Because from the break, what we're going to do is we're going to get 180 pips, right, up to the next resistance level. So when price gets to this level, we'll see and we'll feel what it wants to react to at that area, okay? But that's my observation on the AUD USD. Okay, so let's move on to the Euro AUD. The Euro AUD, right, it's been sporadic, right? Euro has been going through some issues. Its economy is slowing down. Global economic systems are going down, slowing down, not going, but slowing. Reason of is there's a lot of combat, right? There's a lot of people that are wanting to do their own things countries-wise. They're wanting to express themselves in different ways, do different trade routes. And honestly, the US dollar is very weaponizing also to these countries. Not saying, I'm, weaponized to it, but countries, we hold them back from, their trades and whatnot. I know that the ECB did come out with kind of some crazy numbers. So the ECB did also move with this Euro AUD. And that's probably why we've seen a lot of sporadicness this Friday, right? So now let's go on this weekly. And what I see on the weekly is a strong rejection, right? We get a strong rejection. But do not forget that news will only disrupt for the moment, okay? News will only disrupt price for the moment. So if there's a news event, right, or any type of catastrophic event, there has to be really a real reason for price to turn, right? For the trend to turn. Price can turn, but in order for the trend to turn, it has to really be something crazy, right? But we always want to follow the trend, following the trend, right? So for weeks, we see bearish, correct? We see bearish, we see bearish, and then we see this, right? We see a doji or a hammer get created. Okay, so what we want to do is we actually want to take, I still want to take this to the downside. I really, truly want to take this still to the downside. This was news. This is news. All right, so let's follow the trend, right? Follow the trend. It's your friend, I promise, right? And even on the 4-hour, correct? The 4-hour, we get our dojis on resistance, right? We get a pin bar. Oh man, this is nice. Okay, so at least we want to find support in the Euro AUD. We want to find support. So we'll take it down 200 pips. 200 pips isn't too bad, right? But I still, I want us to take that to that low. Okay. NZDJPY. Okay. Let's go on the monthly. Monthly looks nice, nice, nice. It's a lot of nice setups, right? The market was very slow of last week, right? Until Friday came along, everything kind of just unfolded. The news got unfolded. So we ended up experiencing a lot of erraticness in the market, right? So what I'm seeing here on the weekly, we have found support. We have found support, We have a big impulsive bullish candle, okay? And this week is trying to show us a little bit of rejection. It's trying to show us a little bit of rejection, and that's fine. So let's go into the daily and see what it wants to continue doing, right? All right. So what okay, I'm gonna put this in here, right? Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna experience that pullback, right? Let's see this pullback. Okay. That's 25 pips. That can honestly, well, we'll see what the market wants to do, but that could also, gap down there when the market opens. We see that. We want to actually take this to the upside, y'all. This is going to be very bullish. I still see this bullish. This is just a pullback that's happening, right? Right. Continuation. So what I'm seeing, right? What's this area? All right. We got a high also. This is the 4-hour, y'all. Just letting you know. So that we can get these perimeters, right? Straight up to next resistance. Yep, these are my targets. Looking nice from the break. Let's see, only about, okay. So we'll see about 60 to 70 pips, right? From the break of, let me get these for you, right? The break of 69.710, right? At the break of this high, right? Be patient, sit on your hands, let the price come to you. As the more patient you are, the better everything gets, right? The vision gets more clear when it comes to you. Okay, so let price come to you, right? To give you the opportunity. So if you're wanting to take this off of the trend line, go ahead. By all means, go ahead, take it. That's on you. But I want to wait for this top, right? I wanted to wait for this area to get broken at this high so that we can take a secured 75 pips. So we'll be taking that to the 70.445. Okay. We'll be taking that to the 70.445. Once this area has been, hit, what I want to do is I want to wait for another break, right? I want to wait for another break. I'm going to be putting in that stop loss, right? When I hit this profit, When I hit into profit, put a stop loss and just let it ride, right? Okay, what I'm gonna do is wait for another area, right? Another entry, get the break, the retest, and go up for another, right? Go to the next resistance, next support area, right? And okay, so what we're gonna do now is we'll do a little bit of confirmations on these three. Just throw on the golden chip, seeing what price wants to do, right? Let's check it out. Change the color a bit, you know. Okay, so wow, the weekly is showing exactly how we're seeing it, right? So we get our buy signal, correct? Our buy is at the bottom. Look at how price was slamming, right? Right. So now we're at the bottom. Price is actually still wanting to continue. Let's see what our daily is doing. Our daily, right, has broke 61.8, right? And it's been consolidating in between these two levels. So in between these two levels, right, the 50 and the 61, you shall see consolidation. And look what happened. We see consolidation. These are strong levels. But look what happened, right? The 61.8. If we look just from our eye, this is a 61.8. Okay. We see a lot of support here, a lot of support, right? We got dojis on the 61.8. It's broke that. So when I see a 61.8 being broken, I'm knowing that price does no longer want to go in the opposite way. So what that's saying, right? This got broken, right? It wants to continue going up. That means that since this got broken, it's not wanting to fold down, correct? It's wanting to continue. 61.8 we know is a strong level, right? It's a strong Fibonacci level. So I'm seeing this, yes, I'm seeing this to go up to the upside. And currently it's trying to break the 50%. Currently trying to break it. It's very, very small there, right? So we have great confirmation on the AUD USD to go bullish, right? So let's go to the Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Golden chip. Okay. We get, okay, let's go to the weekly. That's what I love about, you know, the golden chip also is it shows you also the continuations, the just everything that you really need to know about basic market structure. It shows you. Look at these M formations, correct? Look at these M formations, right? We found support. We found support, right? So this week, right, I'm going to be looking for this to go bearish. You see how price right here is in the middle? It's just chilling. It's because price is actually being tested in these areas, right? This is a 50 and a 38, bro. So that meaning it just wants to really consolidate and continue to the downside, right? If this ends up, right, retracing, I will see that retracing at the 61.8, right? 61.8 eyeball, right, to the low. So just for the low, let's see. I want to see from our break, or just from our support. I want to see how much further this can go. It can go 180 more pips. So let's see, current price. So yeah, almost a 390 pip move, right? That's nice. Very, very nice, very nice, right? We're looking at this to go bearish, right? So if we're wanting this to go bearish, confirmation is very nice up here. Look at this. Look at that. So we have, like we were talking about, we have that pin bar reversal. We have those reversals, price not wanting to go anymore and that high. Okay, so this is just an indication. It's wanting to actually fall. So Euro AUD is confirmed, right? Wants to go down. Okay, so now we're going to go to the NZDJPY. Let's go check it out. Put okay. So let's get it. So the daily has broken, right? The daily has broken the 61.8. Okay, so price is right now is consolidated. It's very consolidated. You see this? It's just consolidation. Same here, consolidation. So what we want to do, right, is I still see this as going bullish, right? Reason of is JPY moves on its own when news or any type of economics going on. As we have know right now, there's the China deal that's going on. We also have the Brexit also issue that's going on. And JPY loves to move when those events are happening. Investors look very deep into those pairs. So, hey, we're going to look at this to go to the bullish side, right? I would still want this to just come down here, give us a little pullback, and then give us that continuation to the upside, right? Our weekly is also showing very, very strong bullish movement, right? So, oh, and we get on the monthly, right? On our 78.6, the break or resist, BOR means break or resist, right? So it resisted. And this month it's wanting to continue. So let's continue to look for this to go to the upside, right? We got some time to go up. How much pips were again? Yeah, so 70 pips, right? We'll take the 70 pips up to that 38.2 on that day, correct? All right. So what I wanted to also go over gold, right? We'll go over gold. Where can I find you, gold? Because gold is coming to our levels that we've been speaking about for a while now, and we've been catching some good amount of pips on this. So what I'm seeing with gold, right? Gold is wanting to actually pull up. Price is wanting to pull up, right? So be ready. As we were speaking about this level, this 1477.91, this was our level, right? To push up. So let's see how much pips have been caught. So 443 pips on gold, right? From last we spoke about this. Well, a couple weeks ago. I still, I still see this to either consolidate to maybe even fake out to come to this level, and we're going to see the bullish movement to go up, right? I still want this to go up, right, to the 1615.66. That's about 1,000 pips, 1,300 pips, and I'm ready for that move. I'm ready for that move, and this is today's analysis, guys, and I really appreciate you. Thank you for tuning into Chip Trades Analysis. Please comment, subscribe, like below. Share this to your friends, share this to your family, share this to your teens, to anyone that wants to learn Forex, to people that don't know about the markets or want to know more or just beginning or intermediate, right? This is a place where, hey, this is a free discussion. So it's basically just an analysis for everyone, right? I'm, like I was saying earlier, I'm no robot. So I am only human. So there could be mistakes, and that's fine. We're humans. We're humans, guys. So also what I wanted to express a little bit is the confidence of trading, right? The confidence of trading will take you very, very far, right? What I'm also wanting to help others is get that confirmations, right? Their confirmations is their confidence, So when you're getting into a trade, have confidence. Don't get scared. Um, you lose out on so much potential profits, right? And when you fear in the market, it will react to that, right? You will get fearful, you will be stressful, and trading isn't supposed to be a stressful, task. It's supposed to set you free, right? Once your mind has developed the skill set, you are free, right? You understand what is going on. Not saying that you're going to be hitting every single pip to pip, but you will know what you're seeing, right? So confidence, build that confidence. And if you do need extra confidence, don't be scared to go to a demo account. You know, a lot of people can be, you know, oh, I don't want to use a demo because it doesn't psychologically help me. Well, if you treat it like it, it will, right? Don't say it won't when something that, it actually could. So, you know, also when you're into these trades, like I keep stressing enough, put those stop losses in, right? Your confidence will go up so much if you just put a stop loss into profit. Let it hit your stop loss and take you out, and you have some profit. You learn from that. You learn from those experiences, right? Should I move it a little bit less, or should I just take the profit where it's at the top and or at the bottom, or take your time, right? Don't look to get rich fast, right? Forex can truly do that for you, but when you look at the result of only the money, things may happen, right? You stress, you may have some bills, you might have things going on, and the trading money that you're trading for is going to be paying for those things. You don't want to be stressed out, right? And wanting and needing to pay or having these responsibilities on top, because that's extra stress on yourself. You do not want to trade under any type of pressure, right? You want to be very clear-minded. And that's the thing also, is revenge trading. If you've getting whipped by a pair, or you're not understanding the pair, stray away from it for a little bit, right? Go understand a different market. There's a lot of markets, right? We have even the stock market, we have cryptocurrency, we have other pairs, we have majors and minor Forex pairs. So if something's really getting to you and you're trying to revenge trade, don't do it. Just shy away from it, right? See it another day. There's battles every single day and we have to face them. So um, thank you once again for tuning in into Golden Chip analysis that I did for the gold also. And you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.